Hello everyone, welcome back to today's class. In previous class, we discussed exercise problems. Exercise 11.1 we completed, that is based upon direction, cosine, sine, direction ratios. And now today class will continue with the next concepts, and this is a very important, now onwards very important for 5 marks and 3 marks questions. So now first we discussed about the line in a space, equation of a line in a space. In first PUC, straight line concept. Straight line concept is there we discussed different types of lines, slope intercept form, 2-point form, point slope form. These are all in two-dimensional geometry. So now this is 3D space. So now we have to discuss the line equation in 3D space, in three-dimensional geometry, 3D space. So now here their slope intercept form, like that here also two equations will find here. That is the first one, equation of a line in a space. In that first one we are seeing here, equation of a line through passing through, that is nothing but passing through a given point and parallel to the given vector. This is one of the important 5 marks question. 5 marks important question, one of this one. So equation of line which is passing through one point and parallel to given vector. So that line equation we have to find. So diagram is very important here. So I am taking here right-handed rectangular system, x-axis, y-axis, z-axis, origin is O. One point I am taking, point A. Point A, and if you join OA is I am taking as a position vector. A bar is the position vector of a point A with respect to origin O, and a line passing through point A, a line through the given point is A, passing through A and parallel to given vector. One more vector, parallel vector the given, that is I am taking as a B bar. Line equation passing through given point A and parallel to B bar. This line equation we have to find. For that purpose, first I will write these all things. What is that I am writing here? Let A bar is the be a position vector of given point A with respect to origin O. A line passing through point A and parallel to given vector B bar. This diagram representation we did here, just in words we are writing the total diagram representation here. Next, one more point I am taking here. Why? Because by single point we can't find the line equation. So I am taking here another point, that is an arbitrary point. Any point on a line. Lot of points is there. One point arbitrary, I am taking that point naming as a P. Now I am joining this O and P. This is the position vector. General position vector R bar. So now we have to find the line equation. Let P be a arbitrary point with position vector r bar. P be a point with the position vector r bar. So now we can take here by diagram AP bar parallel to B bar. AP bar vector is parallel to B bar vector. Parallel is nothing but here collinear also. In vector algebra and 3D space, parallel means we can take collinear also, no problem. So AP bar parallel to B bar. We have in vectors two vectors collinear. Then we can write AP bar is equal to lambda B bar. AP bar is equal to A bar is equal to lambda B bar. If we are showing, then the two vectors are collinear. So by collinear concept, I am writing here AP bar is equal to lambda B bar. So this one enough. Next step, by the diagram only. In a triangle, by triangle OAP. From triangle OAP, triangle law of vector addition. I'll do here. OA bar plus AP bar is equal to OP bar. OA bar plus AP bar is equal to OP bar. This implies AP bar is equal to OP bar minus OA bar. What is the AP bar? AP bar is lambda r bar. AP bar is lambda B bar. Lambda B bar we can write. This one take as a equation 1 since from equation 1, and OP bar is the r bar, OA bar is the A bar since from one equation. Here you can write here line passing through with the position vector is nothing but OA bar is equal to A bar, OP bar is equal to R bar. Just we can substitute there. Next step, R bar is equal to A bar plus lambda B bar. A bar plus lambda B bar is the required line equation which is passing through point capital A and parallel to the vector B bar. This is the parallel vector and this is the position vector of the given point. So this form is called vector form. Vector form of a line equation. So two types is there. One is vector form, another one is Cartesian form. So now Cartesian form. In exam also, question how they ask, find the equation of a line passing through given point and parallel to the given vector in both forms, vector form and Cartesian form. So this is the vector form, vector equation getting, so that side is the vector form. Cartesian form. Cartesian form means just the points you have to take. Let A be a point x1 comma y1 comma z1 and P be a point arbitrary point x comma y comma z, x comma y comma z, and B bar is the vector and direction ratios of capital A are A comma B comma. I am taking point A coordinates x1 comma y1 comma z1, point P coordinates x comma y comma z, and direction cosines of the direction ratios of A are ABC. Direction ratios ABC. Therefore, we can write OA bar, that is nothing but A bar is equal to x1 I cap, y1 j cap plus z1 k cap. OP bar is equal to R bar is equal to x I cap, y j cap plus z k cap. And B bar. B bar is a parallel vector to AP bar. Parallel vector is there, so direction cosine based upon direction ratio can write A I cap, B j cap plus C k cap. Why? Because these two are parallel is there. So that's why these ratios and these ratios same only will get it. So next, substitute in that one. X I cap, y j cap plus z k cap is equal to A bar. A bar is nothing but x1 I cap, y1 j cap, z1 k cap plus lambda into A I cap, B j cap plus C k cap. So now I cap take common x1 plus here lambda A I cap, y1 plus lambda B j cap. Next one z1 plus lambda C k cap. Just I am taking common I cap j cap k cap. Here x I cap y j cap plus z k cap. Comparing on both sides. So comparing on both sides, if you are making x is equal to how much you get? x1 plus lambda A. Y is equal to y1 plus lambda B. Z is equal to z1 plus lambda C. So if you are making simplification, x minus x1 by A is equal to lambda. x1 you send left side and lambda send A send left side. Multiplication is the division you will get. Here also y minus y1 by B is equal to lambda. Z minus z1 by C is equal to lambda. So by these three, what we can conclude? I am writing here. X minus x1 by A is equal to y minus y1 by B is equal to z minus z1 by C is the Cartesian equation of a line which is passing through the given point x1 comma y1 comma z1 and parallel to the vector B bar having the direction ratios ABC. So this is the way of finding the line equation which is passing through one given point and parallel to the vector in a space. So once again I am repeating this total. First of all, diagram is important. Point A bar is the position vector of point A with respect to origin O, and a line passing through the given point A and parallel to the vector B bar. Again I am taking arbitrary point P. P is the arbitrary point on the line with the position vector R bar. OA bar is equal to A bar, OP bar is equal to R bar. Next, this total words I am writing here. Next, by diagram, AP bar is parallel to the B bar. Parallel is nothing but collinear. Collinear also we can take. By the collinear condition, vector is equal to lambda times of B bar. So this I am taking as a equation 1. By the triangle OAP, OA bar plus AP bar is equal to OP bar. triangle law of vector addition. Otherwise, if you are not getting AP bar, we need AP bar is equal to terminal point position vector OP bar minus OA bar. Already I discussed in vector algebra. AP bar obvious, right? OP bar minus OA bar. So AP bar how much? Lambda B bar. Substitution rates. R bar is a OP bar, OA bar is a A bar. R bar is equal to A bar plus lambda B bar is the line equation which is passing through the point and parallel to the given vector in vector form. Next, Cartesian form of a line. Same line, Cartesian form. Just points I am taking x1, y1, z1 is the point A, xyz is the point B. And the direction ratios of a point A I am taking as a ABC. Point A having ABC direction. This line having A comma B comma C is the direction ratio. Then B bar also having same direction ratios. So OA bar is equal to A bar x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap. R bar is the position vector, general position vector. B bar is the same direction ratio. So A I cap plus B j cap plus C k cap we can write. So substitute in equation number 2. Take as a 2. So one take as a equation number 2. Substitute in 2. So substitute and I take common here. Comparison on both sides. X minus x1 by A is equal to lambda, y minus y1 by B equal to lambda, z minus z1 by C equal to lambda. So these three are equal, that is nothing but x minus x1 by A equal to y minus y1 by B equal to z minus z1 by C. This is a line equation which is passing through given point and parallel to the given vector in Cartesian form. This is an important 5 marks question. Next, one example based upon a line equation which is passing to the given point and parallel to the given vector. Example number 6 here. Find a vector and Cartesian equation. Observe vector and Cartesian equation of the line which is passing through the point 5 comma 2 comma minus 4 and which is parallel to the vector 3i cap plus 2j cap minus 8k cap. Parallel to the vector passing through the point. So I will write here given first. Given point I am taking as a capital A 5 comma 2 comma minus 4 and vector parallel vector, what is there in theorem? B bar. B bar is equal to 3i cap plus 2j cap minus 8k cap. So here I am writing left point. I am taking point, given point as a capital A and vector as parallel vector as a B bar. So now therefore OA bar is equal to A bar is equal to 5i cap plus 2j cap minus 4k cap minus 4k cap. So this is the position vector of point A. So now therefore the line equation through the given point and parallel to the given vector is R bar is equal to A bar plus lambda B bar. R bar is equal to A bar plus lambda B bar. Therefore, R bar is equal to, what is the R? A bar 5i cap plus 2j cap minus 4k cap plus lambda into B bar. What is the B bar? 3 I cap plus 2 j cap minus 8 k cap, which is vector equation of a line. So the vector equation of an r bar equal to a bar plus lambda b bar. Here r bar is position vector of arbitrary point p of x comma y comma z. Therefore, r bar is equal to x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap. So simplification. This is the vector equation completed. Cartesian equation purpose. R bar place we have to substitute that value. This is equation 1. 1 implies x I cap y j cap plus z k cap is equal to. Now I am taking here I common. I common if we are taking 5 plus 3 lambda I cap plus 2 plus 2 lambda 2 plus 2 lambda j cap plus minus 4 minus 8 lambda k cap. So just there are also simplification repeated theorem. Here also same simplification. So now comparison on both sides. Comparing on both sides. X is equal to 5 plus 3 lambda 1. Another one y is equal to 2 plus 2 lambda. Z is equal to minus 4 minus 8 lambda. So now simplify this one. X minus 5 is equal to 3 lambda. X minus 5 by 3 is equal to lambda. Y minus 2 is equal to 2 lambda. Y minus 2 by 2 is equal to lambda. Z plus 4 is equal to minus 8 lambda. Next one, Z plus 4 divided by minus 8 is equal to lambda. So right side lambda is there. So left side also equal. Therefore x minus 5 by 3 is equal to y minus 2 by 2 is equal to z minus of minus 4 divided by minus 8, which is Cartesian form of line. So this is the x minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b, z minus z1 by c. Direct also you can write, no need to do this total. X minus x1 point is 5 divided by direction ratios or direction cosines 3. Direction cosines giving also same to same formula won't change. LMN divided by LMN will be here. 3 is the divided by 3. Y minus 2 by 2. Z minus of minus 4 by minus 8. So this is the Cartesian equation. Direct also you can write. Otherwise by the simplification also you can write. So this is the one example based upon a line equation which is passing through the given point and parallel to the given vector. Next, we will solve the similar problems. A line equation which is passing to the given point and parallel to the given vector. In exercise problems also, similar problems is there in exercise also. So now, I will start the similar problems. Based upon that first theorem related problems will finish and remaining problems will see later. So exercise 11.2, fourth problem I am solving. Remaining 3 problems, that is different problems. Fourth problem you can observe here. Find the equation of a line which is passing through the point and is parallel to the vector. Passing to the point and parallel to the vector given. They didn't mention Cartesian form or vector form. So any one you can find. I am finding here only vector form. Enough that. If he is asking vector form and Cartesian form, both you have to find. So solution here. Let point A half 1, 2, 3 and B bar is equal to 3 I cap plus 2 j cap minus 2 k cap. So now I can write OA bar is equal to A bar is equal to I cap 1 means I cap plus 2 j cap plus 3 j cap. So now we know the formula, we know the line equation, that one I write. Therefore the line passing through given point and parallel to given vector B bar is R bar is equal to A bar plus lambda B bar. Therefore, R bar is equal to A bar I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap plus lambda into B bar 3I cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap. So which is the minus 2k cap, which is the line equation with passing through 1, 2, 3 and parallel to the vector 3I cap plus 2j cap minus 2k cap, where lambda is the one real number. Lambda is a real number. They didn't ask the Cartesian form, so I am stopping here only. Vector form enough. Next, exercise 11.2. Problem number 5 also similar problem here, based upon that theorem only. So now we will continue this problem. Find the equation of the line in vector and Cartesian form. Vector form and Cartesian form. Two forms that passing through the point with the position vector. Point position vector they are giving. Point they are not giving. Direct point position vector. Previous problem points are given. We wrote the position vector. A bar we wrote. So here direct they given position vector, that is nothing but A bar they given and is in the direction given parallel vector, right? Given parallel vector in the direction, same direction means it is parallel to the given line. This vector is parallel to the given line. Why? Because in the direction, same direction is there. In the direction of this vector, in this direction only it will go. That means it is a parallel. Solution. Let I am taking here A bar, position vector of a point. A bar is equal to 2I cap minus j cap plus 4k cap, and B bar in the direction, given direction only, direction vector, otherwise vector given. So that vector is I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. We know that the line passes through the point and parallel to the given vector is vector form. R bar is equal to A bar plus lambda B bar. R bar equal to A bar plus lambda B bar. Just here substitute. R bar is equal to 2I cap minus j cap plus 4k cap plus lambda into B bar I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap, which is vector form of a line. Now substitute R bar here. R bar is position vector of P point x comma y comma z. Therefore, R bar is equal to x I cap y j cap plus z k cap. Substitute in equation 1. X I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap is equal to I cap take common 2 plus lambda 2 plus lambda I cap plus minus j is if you are taking minus 1 plus 2 lambda j cap plus k common k cap 4 here minus lambda 4 minus lambda k cap. So now comparing on both sides, x is equal to 2 plus lambda, y is equal to minus 1 plus 2 lambda, z is equal to 4 minus lambda. So now make the simplifications. X minus 2 is equal to lambda, y plus 1 is equal to 2 lambda, z minus 4 is equal to minus lambda. So here nothing is there, we can write 1. X minus 2 by 1 is equal to lambda, y plus 1 by 2 is equal to lambda, z minus 4 by minus 1 is equal to lambda. This minus 1 sending denominator, otherwise divided with minus 1, minus minus cancel. Therefore, x minus 2 by 1, y minus half minus 1 by 2, z minus 4 by minus 1, which is Cartesian form of a line. This is Cartesian form, this is the vector form. Both asking, both you have